Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
I shouldn't be standing with a heart that's so heavy. I shouldn't be up with all the weight that I carry. Don't know if it's right, but I'm sticking with you. You're my only vice, I'm dependent on you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better, better for my soul. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Dreaming about the good days when you put me first, baby. When you used to call me just to say that you miss me. Don't know how.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so a little bit of a disclaimer. The lashes that I have on, child, they all over the place. I get it. I'm not even sure they the same lashes. But I am completely out of my own lashes and I'm completely out of regular lashes. So, honey, I'm doing what I can do. Okay, so don't judge me. Anyways, the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Nadula Hair Shop. Thank you, Nadula, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So it says, Nadula, the Hearts and Cakes 90, recommend 13x4 lace frontal Jerry curly wig, reddish brown, dark auburn color lace front human hair wig. And y'all know, if you don't know, now you know, okay? No biggie. I love the Hearts and Cakes 90. Like, straight OG, okay? One of the people that really made me want to get into wigs. So, I love this wig just because she do, honey, okay? The lengths that they have available, they have it available in both 150 and 180. And it goes to 26 inches. If I'm not mistaken, they did tell me they was gonna send me 20 inches. As far as the density goes, I'm honestly not 100% sure. Yeah, they did send me 20 inches, but I have no idea about the density. I'm gonna say 150, but it's a curly wig, so it's really hard to tell. If you guys have curly units, you guys know you can get away with 150% density with a curly wig because it's still gonna look thicker than my baby cousin Ashley. So that's that. Now, as far as shedding and tangling goes with this particular wig, I honestly did not experience any of it, but I didn't do a whole lot. I simply just fluffed the hair out like this. That's it, that's all. I kid you not. So it may shed and tangle at some point, but I didn't really get that because I didn't run a brush through it whatsoever. I did bleach the knots, but other than bleach the knots, I didn't do anything else. Like, honey, everything else about this wig, girl, she woke up like this, okay? I didn't touch her. So those are basically all the details and specs about this unit. As far as it being big head friendly, it does come with a pre-attached elastic band. I did adjust it. I feel like this unit could be, I feel like it can fit everybody across the board. It just kind of depends on, like, cutting the lace may be an issue if you have a smaller cap size. I do feel like it's geared more to medium to large head, but I do still feel like you can make it work if you are if you wear a smaller unit. So, honey, do with that what you want to do with that, because I only wear the head. I mean, I only got the head that's on my shoulders, and I'm an average cap size. So do with that what you want to do with that, sis. And yeah, that's basically it as far as the details and specs. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. My con is that it's going to be a 13x4. Not it's going to be. The con is that it is a 13x4, and it is a true 13x4, which is why I actually decided to just do the comb over method. And honestly, with these type prefer the comb over method, so it's not a big deal. But I do want to throw it out there to y'all that if you want to part this unit that is a 13x4, and you are gonna hit weft pretty easily if you don't do like a C part or something. So throw it out there so you guys can catch it. Throw it back to see if you gonna catch it. Hey! Now, as far as the pros, I love this color. I think this color is perfection. I love the hairline. I love that it didn't need any baby hairs or anything. I feel like the hairline looks really, really natural. I love that for me. And I love the texture. You guys know I love a good Jerry curly. So those are all of my pros with this unit. Yes, I would personally recommend this unit for all the reasons that I listed as pros, girl. Obviously, I definitely recommend this unit. I think that the curls are beautiful, the color is beautiful, and I love that it doesn't take a whole lot of work as far as tweezing and stuff goes. So, yeah, obviously, I would recommend it. All right, y'all, so let me give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So, this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So let me know what you guys think. I did do another unit that was similar to this, but the other unit was longer. So this is giving you guys like a more shorter, everyday sort of option, which I really do love. I think I actually prefer the shorter length over the longer length. It just depends on what you are looking for, but I personally definitely think I prefer the shorter length. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not costing out one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Looks your love completely. Got every step